Welcome back to Joe Knows. Today we're talking about something that happens behind the scenes but affects every single job you print profiles. Whether you're using solvent, latex, UV or aqueous printers, print profiles are what help turn your artwork into accurate, consistent output on a wide range of materials. Let's talk about what they are, why they matter, and when a generic profile might be fine and when it won't be. A print profile, also known as an ICC or media profile, is a data file that tells your printer how to print on a specific material using a specific ink set. It controls things like ink limits and color curves, dot gain, resolution and grayscale, media feed compensation and drying temperature, color correction to hit the consistent, accurate results. Without a proper profile, you're essentially guessing, and that guess can cost you time, material and client confidence. Every material behaves differently when ink hits it. A high gloss vinyl absorbs ink differently than a polyester vinyl. Each ink technology also brings its own challenges. Solvent and eco-solvent need time to outgas. Latex relies on accurate curing temperatures. UV sits on the surface. Too much ink causes cracking or pooling. Aqueous ink needs tight control over coating and humidity. The right profile ensures your output is not only printable, but predictable. Now here's the thing. Not every job requires a custom material-specific profile. Generic profiles are included in most RIP software, and some printers, they're often good enough to get you started, especially on coated vinyls, banners, and other common substrates. They're great for in-house signage, short-run jobs, prototyping or test prints, and less color-critical work. But keep in mind, generic profiles don't always give you the best color accuracy. They may over-ink or slow down production. They're not tuned for your exact media. Use them smartly and know when to step it up. If you're working with specific brand colors, high volume production, or challenging materials, you should use a profile that matches your printer model, your ink type, your RIP software, and the exact material you're printing on. You can usually download these profiles from the media supplier, databases, manufacturer, websites, or built-in libraries within your RIP or printer. A good profile will limit the ink to what the media can handle, balance colors and grayscales, match output to industry standard color spaces, speed up print time without sacrificing quality, improve repeatability so yesterday's job looks like today's. It's more than color, it's about workflow reliability. Here's what I've always recommended. Start with a generic profile if you're testing or working with common substrates. Move to dedicated profiles when accuracy, speed, or unique media is involved. Always test your print before running a full production. Keep your profiles organized and updated in your RIP, and don't let old data slow you down. And remember, temperature, humidity, and media batch variations can all impact output, even with a good profile. Print profiles are one of the most valuable tools in your print setup. They will help you get it right the first time, less waste, fewer reprints, and happier customers. Use them wisely, start with what works, and refine when needed. Now that Joe knows, you know too. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.